Here's how to add call assets to your Google Ads so that you can actually add your phone number so people can click to call. And I'll explain 2 reasons why it can actually ruin your lead quality. So if you don't know where to find this, all you need to do is click on your assets view here, click on assets, and then all you need to do is click on the plus symbol and then see call here. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You just add your phone number here, make sure call reporting is turned on. There will be a little error here and it looks something like this if you don't have it turned on. All you simply need to do is click on turn on and then make sure this is on and click save. And then from there, make sure that you set the days and hours correctly. So of course you do not accept phone calls in the middle of the night, probably in most cases. So you'd want to set these to your actual business hours. And if you want to see that call reporting, all you need to do is go into Insights and Reports, Report Editor, scroll down until you find calls. So it'd say call details, this one here, click on that, and then it will start showing you the phone calls and the source and where they came from, etc. Now it's not as in-depth as using a tool like What Converts, but this is an option for you anyway. Now call assets are amazing if you've got emergency style business. So if you're an emergency dentist and you offer that, or you're an emergency plumber or an electrician or something that's high urgency, then these call assets can work amazingly well, because when people are in a hurry, they'll click on the first number they see. They won't even go into the website sometimes. So it is a good idea to have that there. Here are the 2 reasons why it could actually destroy your lead quality. The first reason is if you do not have an emergency style business and you're just running these on your ads, sometimes you'll notice you'll get a lot of spam coming through, people that are telemarketers or people trying to sell you things, and it really ruins your lead quality and the signals that you capture to Google. Because what's happening is if you use a maximize conversions bidding strategy, you're training Google on those bad conversions. So it's not a good idea. The second reason, let's say you're a dentist and you're bidding on Dental Clinic Melbourne. Sometimes what happens, you will accidentally bid on auctions with your competitor's brand name, because sometimes you'll have competitors that have very generic brand names and you accidentally bid on those because you've got phrase match or exact match. Your ad will show up when someone is looking for a competitor and they will click on it thinking they're going to reach the competitor, but it's the wrong business. So therefore that person will likely not continue with that call and bounce out, realizing they've got the wrong business, which oftentimes happens. But there'll be a small chance for you to actually capture that conversion and convince them to go with your business instead. But that's very unlikely. So those are the 2 reasons it can actually ruin your lead quality. So I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, let me know. More than happy to answer. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.